Hello there, good morning to you. Well, today marks the beginning of meteorological winter and it is looking quite unsettled. It's going to be cloudy and windy throughout with outbreaks of rain. Not desperately cold out there this morning, but we're starting off with spells of rain tracking eastwards. That rain's really going to continue on and off through the day where we may get the odd heavy burst. But for a time, by the end of the afternoon, it should start to ease off. Temperatures around 12 to 13 degrees, so double figures. And then that rain will start to get going again through the evening. Again, some greens here and there indicating the heavier burst, but by the end of the night it is looking a much drier. Clear spells will develop. It stays quite breezy though, and temperatures down to around 7 or 8 degrees. But those winds gradually falling lighter through Tuesday. It is going to be drier and brighter, but there is the risk of some showers later in the afternoon.